How to enjoy a lucrative affiliate program. Most of us take ample time to envision success before we actually begin working on any business model, and this is especially true with affiliate marketing. In fact, with the time it takes to set up your business, you will have ample time to daydream. Instead of keeping your head in the clouds, though, spend your time watching tips like these to help your marketing efforts. Securing reciprocal links is a modest but important step in any profitable affiliate marketing program. Website owners should always do what they can to get a link from their affiliates back to their own website. Such links are doubly desirable because they not only increase the utility of the affiliate program, they also improve the website's standing in search engine results rankings. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to consider the needs of your site's audience. You want to select a product that is relevant to your readers, otherwise it will make you appear like a con artist that is just after their money. Focus on your niche market and recommend only products and services that are relevant to them, and they will be more likely to follow links and buy. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to test products before you advertise them. If you are displeased with the product, it is likely that your customers or subscribers will be as well. Advertising an unsatisfactory product will decrease your credibility and trustworthiness, while advertising a quality product will do the opposite. Know the audience that you are trying to entice. Take into consideration why they are coming to your site and what they are interested in. Make sure that the affiliate products that your site is offering to them provide a solution to your visitors' problems. Keep with the theme of your site. Nothing destroys a visitor's opinion of a website owner faster than a concealed advertisement. This does not mean that it is impossible to satisfy visitors and engage in affiliate marketing. The honest webmaster is simply honest and transparent about it. Visitors should always be made aware when a website gets money for endorsing a particular product. They rarely resent a straightforward advertisement as they do a duplicitous one. If your head's not in the game completely, you're never going to succeed as an affiliate marketer. It really is that simple. Any product you're attempting to sell is also being sold by many other affiliates out there. Use the information that has been provided to gain a competitive edge, and take your campaign to the next level. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.